Hello friends, welcome to Meridian Overseas. Friends, there is a good news for you. If anyone of you wants to take your admission further for either in bachelor's or master's and budget is your concern, then we're going to help you in the type of countries where the tuition fee is very low and the quality of education is very high. Yes, obviously I am talking about Europe. So in Europe, you will find lots of countries where the tuition fee is very low and the quality of education and standard of living is very high. So here I will going to tell you about 3 of such countries where you will find lots of universities which comes under top 100 or top 200 world ranking, where the tuition fee is very low and the cost of living is also very low. So first country is Italy. In Italy we have lots of universities like Bologna, Sapienza, Politecnico di Milano, Milan University. These university falls under 150 world ranking. If I'm talking about courses, then you will find lots of bachelor's and master programs in these university and the tuition fee is very low. The tuition fee will cost you around 3,000 euros on a year basis. And the scholarship opportunity, yes, this is the main point. You will be getting lots of scholarship opportunities where you do not need to pay any tuition fee, plus you will be getting financial aid also. So this is Italy, where you find quality education with low tuition fee and low cost of living. Second one is Germany. In Germany, there is no as such tuition fee in public university, but yes, you need to pay a small amount as your semester contribution. So there are lots of universities which falls under world top 200 or 300 world ranking, where as I already told you, you do not need to pay tuition fee, but the thing is you should have strong academics. So if you want your admission confirmed in these top ranked universities, then you should have at least 73% in your previous education, and you should also need to prove yourself in GRE and GMAT with good score. Side by side, you need to prove your English proficiency as well. Next country is Latvia. In Latvia, you will find lots of programs related to logistics, related to technical programs, related to management related programs, where the tuition fee will cost you around 3,000 euros to 4,000 euros and the cost of living will cost you around 600 euros on a month basis. If we go for a year, then you will be having a cost of living around 6 to 7,000 euros. So friends, these are the top 3 countries where you can proceed further for your higher education either in bachelor's or master's with lowest tuition fee and lots of future scope. So if you want to initiate your application and confirm your admission in these 3 countries, then you need to initiate your application right now. So for Germany and for Latvia, we have nearby intake in Feb and in March itself, and for Italy we have September intake. I just want to let you know that all these 3 countries already starting their application process. So if you want to opt for your further studies in these countries, then definitely you need to start your application as soon as possible. So friends, what are you waiting for? अगर आप भी अपना एप्लीकेशन कराना चाहते हैं मेरिडियन के साथ, तो डेफिनेटली हमसे कनेक्ट रहिए. साथ ही ऐसी मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन पाने के लिए चैनल को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए. थैंक यू.
Don't miss the chance. Yes, the rewards spent are for Meridian Refer a Friend and Earn program. If you know someone who you think would benefit from Meridian's European University application services, then spread the word. Refer a friend, and if they enroll at a university in European countries after using our services, you will be eligible to claim a reward of rupees 4,000. The terms and conditions are really simple. Rupees 1,000 will be released as soon as the refer student pays our first installment, and rupees 1,000 will be released as soon as the student pays our second installment. The remaining 2,000 after visa receipt. Don't miss out on the chance to earn rewards, as you can refer more than one student. So start referring today using the link given in the description.